This video is about site selection. There's a few things you want to keep in mind when you're selecting a site. You want to know the direction that the sun rises from and where it sets. You want to find a spot that's relatively flat so that there's not a lot of sheet runoff when it rains. A spot that's relatively close to your house so that it's not a bother to walk to it. You'll be more likely to go there. And it's also good to know the history of your property, because in that case you might know that there has been a garden in the past, and if you've had a garden on the property in the past, that spot's usually a good spot because the soil will have got remnants of good nutrients. If you don't have a place on your property like in the ground, you could always use pots, and the bigger the better, obviously, but smaller size pots will also work for greens and potatoes and really anything that you would like to grow.